I like your technique.
And she's one done. Good morning, Tina! These poor boxes that have been sitting for, I don't know, like a year or so. But hey, it's getting done now. Yeah? I'm excited though. I can't wait to be able to hopefully, pull the car on the trailer without destroying the front bumper. That was a fun time. Ooh. More fun stuff. I think I've exhausted all my energy already. If you've never experienced the Florida heat,
what kind of place is this?
something else. It was a great investment. I got a fan out of it.
Look, we're only like 2 minutes into this, and you're acting like you worked the whole day.
Hi. Welcome back. We are here with another video today. I'm excited because I have this lovely pointer here with me today that we're not using for today's video. I'm excited because the S2000 is getting love. We're bagging the S2000. I can't wait to get all the hate comments. We're making moves with the S2000. The next clip I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about what I actually want to do and what the build is going to be like, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm ready to get this bitch on the ground. Alright, well, I'm assuming by the thumbnail, you guys have maybe already guessed what this build is going to be about. But I am super excited for this build because when I got this car at the end of 2021 with the intent of wanting to do a Suki build, and when I posted the first YouTube video about getting the S2000, everybody in the comments was like, Suki build, Suki build, Suki build, and I was like, y'all don't even know what is going to go on.
Bend over, boy.
With that being said, it is official. I am doing the Suki build with a twist of me. A modern day Suki build is what I've absolutely always wanted to do. And S2000 has always been a dream for me because back in the day, literally when I say every other one of my friends had an S2000, they did. And I was always so jealous. And I was like, one day, this is gonna be in my life. I'm gonna own an S2000. And I think the only respectful thing to do is do a modern day Suki build with it. I've already ordered the front bumper, I've ordered the wing for it, I already know the wheels that I want to do, and there's a few other pieces that I have in mind, but I'm so excited to get this thing moving. This is going to be a multi-part series for the Suki build, with still keeping the fundamentals of the Suki build, which I'm really excited for, with incorporating my style and a modern day style build. So obviously today, the first thing that we are going to be doing is the air ride on the S2000. I already have it. I literally, when I bought the car originally, I had already bought the air ride for it, but then obviously a lot went on, so I had to push it back, but we are here today to start this build, and I'm so excited! Alright, I'm going to quit talking because I want to get this video going, but I do want to make this short and simple and sweet and say that Suki was literally such an icon in Too Fast, Too Furious. I just cannot put it past how much all of the women in Fast and Furious made such a staple for women today in the car scene, even in the early 2000s. But somebody needed to do this build, and I'm very excited that I'm going to be doing it because Suki was such an icon for women, and still today it's crazy how much inspiration they bring to us. Alright, I've got everything unpacked, and we're going to go ahead and get it on the S2000.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're so freaking jacked.
You think I could tip it over, like go high enough?
Yeah. I like your technique. I think you're good.
It's not good enough. I'm done. Bye. This is my least favorite part. I promise you. I can never do it someone else.
Come on. Yeah. Nice and slow.
Oh, the D's done, okay?
Man, what the hell are you doing right now? What the fuck is this?
I really want to go really fast, but I feel like it's gonna
What are you, Ricky Bobby?
I want to go fast.
one done. Alright, these.
Get my nuts! Get my nuts!
They're going right here. So if I forget that I put them right there, y'all got my back, right? Right there.
Hey, bud.
I've got grade A swamp ass right now.
Ma'am? What the hell are you doing over here? What the?
Oh my god. And just like that, they're all off. Alright, now that all the wheels are off, we're gonna go ahead and get these struts out. And from my knowledge, we obviously just have the 2 bolts up here, and then down here, it's 2 bolts back here, and then this should lift up, and then there is a bolt down here. That lovely bolt right here. And then it should just come out easy, you know, fingers crossed. And then we'll replace it with the air strut, so hopefully it doesn't give us any issues, because some of these bolts look rough. So hopefully they come out easy. Why did this break way easier than I expected? This never happens for me.
Yep, and you just jinxed it.
No, it's going. It's still going. Slowly but surely. Alright, so I got these 2 top bolts out. They were 17 millimeter and they broke literally so easy. I'm so used to the Mark IV with never ever, what did I just say? With nothing ever going my way, so this is a plus. Hopefully we don't run into something later on that just doesn't go right.
"2,000 years later."
We're getting there.
Hey, grab it like a man. Grab it like a man.
Sir.
Grab it like a man. Very large breaker bar for that you have.
That's what she said. This is too good to be true. I'm just waiting for something to happen.
I mean, to be fair, what'd you expect?
Nothing. Not much. How about you do me a solid? You finish the top one.
Alright.
Oh yeah, look at that dust. And she's out!
What you doing?
Twisting this bad boy. Alright, both front struts are out. And then that rear one, gonzo. So now I only have this one, and I'm excited because we're getting so close. So the only thing back here is a single bolt that is down here, and then there are 2 in the trunk, which I will show you in 1 second. Alright, so back here in the trunk, it was just these 2 bolts, which are on both sides. So we went ahead and removed those. Now we'll pull them out. Ooh, and just like that, they're out. I wonder how far I could chuck one of these. You just see the next clip, and I'm like, explodes. Update time. We have all of these bad boys in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, today has been such a long day, such a hot day. If it wasn't so hot, I think it would have been way easier and less stressful. I think we could have gotten it done in a full day. But All of the struts are in, some of the management is started, the trunk has started a little bit. Tomorrow's really just gonna be finishing up the wiring and running the lines and doing all the final little touches, and it will be all done. But I think we need to get out of this heat. We are exhausted. I'm ready to eat something good and like refreshing and drink something really cold. So until then, I will see y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, welcome back to day 2. We don't have much to do today. First we have to compress the suspension, and then we have to check for clearance, and then figure out how we want to run the lines, and then we're pretty much good to go. So let's go. Paul's just back here working his little heart out, making me a temporary trunk setup. He said he wouldn't let me leave any other way because he knew if he didn't do it, it would have never gotten done. But fair enough, if this is gonna be the Suki build, we gotta do something cool in the back. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? She's pretty much done. We're gonna check for leaks and do all the rest of the necessity. Let her do her thing, and then we're gonna get off these stands. Just simple, clean trunk setup. Courtesy of Paul. I'm sweaty and hot and ready to see this on the ground right now. I'm about to have mega arms after this.
Lower it down slow.
I'm scared.
Don't slam it. There you go.
She's going. Oh, she's going.
Oh, you really are going slow.
She said slow.
Okay.
All right,
Ride
we're done.
height.
We're leaving her. We can drive right off.
Alright, see ya. Alright.
I didn't slam it this time, but it's about to be slammed.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop it.
Keep going. Keep going. A little more.
All the way.
Yeah, that's sitting on it.
I don't want bacon fenders like Mason.
You got bacon fenders already, buddy.
I trust what they say.
You got bacon fenders already, alright?
Why does it feel no different getting out?
Wait, step back.
It went lower than I expected. It looks so good. It needs new wheels. New wheels. Look how good. Wow, that's nice. Alright, we can't talk about this because this was before I bought it. But honestly, when lowering it, or when airing it out, I honestly didn't expect it to clear. Look how good it is. It's my size. It's fun size. She's an air baby now. Look at her. I think next, I really want to pick out wheels, and I still have to figure out what front fenders I want to do. But yeah, this is the start of a new series, and I'm so excited.
Hey, you're good?
I think we're
Are you-
good. We're good. We're good.
Are you good? You're, okay, yeah, hey, you're good.
Am I actually good though? Am I like actually?
You're good. You're good.
Sorry,
Oh,
I'm going.
yep.
Thank you, Tampa, for another amazing, amazing weekend and trip here. The S2000 is done. She's looking pretty. There's so much more to come for the S2000, but for now, I'm gonna get her on the trailer, and then I'm gonna get home because I have a little bit of a drive and I'm gonna get to go see my babies. I miss my little kitty cats, but I'm excited. I'm excited for this build. I hope you guys are excited for this build. I want to hear in the comments below recommendations for any car parts to go on this build. I want to look into everything and anything when doing this build. I have an idea for front benders. The wing and the front bumper are ordered. I know I mentioned that. And then there's a few other things that I'm looking at. Wheels, I kind of already know what I want, but I want to hear your opinion and your comments. Please let me know down below. But until next time, I love you guys. I appreciate you. Have the best summer of your life, and I will see you soon.